Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Trak K3 machine with an EMX control. This machine was new in 2016. Its serial number 161DB582, and we are running. Machine has an R8 spindle. It is variable speed up to 4,200 RPM. It has low speed of 60. 200, we are in the low range. So it's from 60 to 500 in the low range. 360. Okay, it's fine. So, yep, he's got a spindle brake. Again, it's an R8 spindle. So the machine has a 3-axis digital readout or 2-axis CNC control. The machine's table is 10 by 50. You have 32 inches of X travel. Right now we're in the high range. 3,300 RPM, going pretty fast. Again, it goes up to 4,200, so you have from 500 to 4,200 RPM in the high range. That's 1,200. So you have 32 inches of X travel, 16 inches of cross travel, and those are programmable. As you can see on the control, when he moves in the rapids, you can see that it moves the X. Then when he moves the cross travel, which is the Y, so you have ball screws and servo motors for the X and the Y. When you move the Z, it does the math on the control, but that's just a digital readout, which is, again, 5 inches of Z quill travel. Now, you also have a power feed for your knee up and down, which is 16 inches, and so there's a rapid traverse on it. So you have, again, you have a power feed for the vertical travel of the knee. You have a DRO for the quill travel, and you have X and Y power feed through the control, two-axis programmable, and I think you've seen it. Oh, the machine also has a riser block. Thank you for watching our video.